Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome to our channel MS Tech. Sorry, I was too busy and a little ill. That's why I could not make my videos and I could not deliver my lectures to all of you. So due to high fever and due to flu, I am sharing my daily routine with you people that what I was using. So daily in morning, I started warm water with some honey. So I recovered from this condition. I think that was the condition of COVID. I don't know what was that, but now I am good and I have recovered my that stage. Actually, I think I got vaccinated. Maybe the side effect of vaccine was that, but whatever was that, now I am good, and due to this remedy. So the remedy is that it is warm water. Okay, if you are feeling sick or if you are feeling flu, like you are not feeling well, then you can take it's not too warm, it's normal warm water. Okay, you can take 1 glass of water and add 1 tablespoon of honey in this. This is 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir it well and take it. You will feel comfortable and relaxed. So this was the video of my routine when I got fever or when I got like ill. So I use this. I hope you have enjoyed this. Now I am good and my cough is also relief. So today I will try my best to compose a lecture and then I will upload that video. Okay, thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for your cooperation. So don't forget to subscribe our channel if you are visiting for the very first time, and also share my videos with your family and friends. Take best care, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.